Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to check sent requests on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Here, go to your profile. Tap on Menu. Then tap on Your Activity. As you can see, there is no such option available here. Now you need to open the web browser. Here, search for Instagram.com. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings icon from the top left corner. Tap on Your Activity. Then tap on Download Your Information. Tap on Next. Enter your password and request download. Your downloaded information will contain all the data, including sent requests. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.